This is my computer case. It is quite the ponage and quite the air tunnel. It's got a fuckload of air and a fuckload of dead bugs. In there somewhere. Also got some EL wire in there. It's like glowing wire. Can't see it when the neons are on there, which sucks. And a massive screen, 22-inch. I hope you like